My team's been asking me for a tool to help troubleshoot the Gitlab deployment in our environment. This way they don't have to ask me if things are healthy. I'm going to put this in the self-hosted services group on our map. First, we're going to create the SLX. I can change most of these details later, so it's not important that I nail it now. I just need to create the SLX. Once the details are filled out, we can push our commits. Now, I don't really know what I want my SLI to be or my SLO to be for this, so at this point, I'm not going to add those. Really, all I'm going to do is add a task set. I'm going to search the public open source code collections, and I'm going to find a Kubernetes deployment triage code bundle. Once I've selected it, I can look at the tasks it's going to perform, and then I can start to configure it for my environment. Here, the important part is that I'm putting in the information that's specific to my workspace or my cluster. With our environment variables complete, we'll specify our kubeconfig secret, the kubectl service, and the runtime location. Once we've pushed the configuration, we can go to the map and find our new SLX. Here, we're going to make a slight modification to the map to clean it up a little bit. And then we can go to our task set and we can actually create a new run session to test out our task. Once the run session has completed, we can review the output. This is something that all of our team members can do. Here, we can see the output of the task set, which includes any issues with events, storage, pods, or services, along with any kubectl commands that were run in the task set. And there you go. We've learned how to search a public code collection for a useful task set, we configured the task set for our own specific environment, and we safely enabled our team members to troubleshoot our Kubernetes-based Gitlab deployment. For more information, visit us at runwhen.com.